Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to speed up your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. First, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Then, click on the Startup tab. Here you'll see a list of programs that automatically run when your PC starts. Check the Startup Impact column. Disable any program you don't need by right-clicking it and selecting Disable. After finished, close the Task Manager. Next, let's turn off fast startup conflicts. Open Control Panel, then search for Power Options. Click Choose what the power buttons do. Then click Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Untick Turn on Fast Startup Recommended and click Save Changes. After finished, close the control panel. Now let's clean up background apps. In the Start menu, search and open Settings. Then search for background apps. Turn off any apps you don't need running in the background. Finally, restart your computer to see the difference. And that's it. You've successfully optimized and speed up your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.